Hi guys, this is Pat with 3D Wonders. I'm going to do some projects with my Tesla Model Y, and today I've brought with me EinScan Libre. I'm going to show you how easy it is to scan a car. Today, I use infrared rapid mode and set a resolution of 1.3mm for scanning. IR rapid mode is good for scanning large objects. By putting markers on Tesla body, we can ensure a better data quality on flat panels. Wow, it was a piece of cake! I scanned the hood and the side in just a minute or two. Now let's do the back. Now let me talk a little bit more about these markers. For those who have done car scanning before, you know it's so hard to put on and take off markers from your car without damaging the paint. At 3D Wonders, we created these special markers. It's very easy to put on and take off without any residue. If you want to know the secret, please contact us. That brings us to the end of our Tesla Model Y 3D scanning section. In the next video, we'll dive deep into the EinScan Libre PC software to clean up, process, and finalize the scan data into a perfect 3D mesh file for reverse engineering. To make sure you don't miss that crucial post-processing tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more 3D scanning ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.